Have you ever wondered how a microwave oven heats food without fire or glowing coils? You put in cold leftovers, press a button, and out comes a hot meal. No flames, no preheating, just instant heat. It feels like magic, but it's really clever science at work. Unlike ovens that heat air and then your food, microwaves skip the middleman and heat the food directly. That's why your plate stays cool while your burrito is steaming. The secret? Invisible waves. Energy you can't see, but that targets your food. Just like Wi-Fi or radio waves, microwaves are a form of invisible energy. This energy is tuned to interact with your food in a very specific way. So how does this magic work? Let's pull back the curtain and see what's really happening inside that box. Get ready to discover the science behind one of your kitchen's coolest inventions. The name says it all, microwave oven. It uses microwaves, a type of electromagnetic wave, energy that travels through space, just like light or radio waves. Inside every microwave is a device called a magnetron. When you press start, it turns electricity into microwaves and blasts them into the metal box. The metal walls bounce these waves around, making sure they hit your food from every angle. But the microwaves themselves aren't hot. They're tuned to interact with water molecules in your food. Water is the main target, which is why foods with lots of moisture heat up so quickly. The microwaves pass right by the air and the plate, focusing their energy on the water inside your meal. Fats and sugars get a little excited too, but water does most of the work. That's why soup heats up fast, but a dry cracker barely gets warm. The microwave isn't just heating food, it's performing a precise operation at the molecular level. Let's see what happens next inside your food. Here's where the real action happens. The molecular dance party. Each water molecule is like a tiny magnet. When the microwave turns on, it creates an electric field that flips back and forth billions of times per second. The water molecules spin and twist to keep up, bumping into each other, creating friction, which generates heat. That's why your food heats from the inside out, fast. Microwaves only reach an inch or two deep, so thick foods can have cold spots. That's why the turntable helps. The magnetron is the band, microwaves are the music, and water molecules are the dancers. This friction is what transforms cold leftovers into a hot meal in minutes. Next time you hear that hum, picture the epic dance party happening inside. Ever wonder why you can't put metal in the microwave? It's all about how metal interacts with microwaves. The oven's metal walls reflect waves safely, but a fork or foil acts like an antenna, causing electrons to pile up at sharp points. When enough build up, they leap through the air as sparks, tiny lightning bolts that can damage your microwave or even start a fire. That's why metal utensils are a no-go, but glass, ceramic, and microwave-safe plastics are fine. The shape and thickness of metal matter. A smooth bowl is safer than a crumpled foil. So keep metal out and let the waves do their job safely. Safety first, then snacks. So the microwave isn't magic, it's science in action. By understanding how waves interact with water, engineers created a device that changed kitchens forever. Every object around you is packed with science waiting to be discovered. Curiosity is your superpower. Ask how things work and the world gets more interesting. Next time you use your microwave, imagine the invisible dance party you've started. Then, find something else that sparks your curiosity and dive in. The more you learn, the more fascinating the world becomes. Stay curious and keep exploring.